Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial on the iceni data import process. The import is the third step of the registration process and comes after setting up your user and charity profiles. The import is also available from your dashboard, so you can replace your data entirely and append new data on an ongoing basis. Your file must be a .txt or a .csv file. There are 4 mandatory data fields and several optional fields. We encourage all users to upload as many of the fields as possible. If you need more information on definitions, you can visit our help site by clicking on the link. First, you need to choose a file. You can drag and drop the file into this box here, or click on the green button to select your file. If your file is a correct data type, it will scroll down the screen automatically and show you a preview of your data like we see here. If you have a header row, which we do in our file, select the option. Once you select the option, iceni data will try and identify the different columns in your file. You can then adjust and select which columns you would like. The ID file has been erroneously identified as gift amount, so I will change it to donor ID and update the amount field there. If your data file has too many columns, you will be able to scroll left to right so you can see all of your data columns. Once you have selected which columns to import, you can hit the Validate button at the bottom, which will then validate your data. During validation, we determine what date formats you are using and ensure your data is complete. We look for invalid zip or postal codes, state and province abbreviations, and gift amounts with errors. This process takes a few moments. When validation is complete, we will tell you how many records had errors and will not be imported, and what percentage of the total records that represents. That helps you decide if it's worthwhile to proceed or if you need to check your data for errors. We just processed 356,000 donation records. There were 80 errors, which is 0.02%, that had missing or invalid data. I can choose to go back to review my file or upload a new file. Since the error rate is fairly small, I'm going to choose to exclude and proceed. Once in the dashboard, after my data has finished being processed, I will be able to download my error file and append it to the data that's there after making corrections. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed seeing how easy it is to upload your data to iceni data.